everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa, I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting studio. Today is Tuesday, and you know what Tuesday is. That is Sewing Talk Tuesday. Although today I think we're going to do something a little different. As you know, we are currently working on our Scraptastic Scrap Quilt. It is a series, so it is taking some time to get through it. So I hope you're enjoying that process. I'm getting lots of feedback on it, and I'm glad that everybody is loving it and having so much fun doing it, because I am as well. Some progress updates for that Scraptastic Scrap Quilt on my end. I haven't touched it. So today I will be sitting down to finish my other blocks. So as you know, I have 4 rows put together, and I have to put 4 more rows together. So that's what I will be doing. It's snowing here today, so it's a perfect day to get that done. So yay, that's why I'm dressed in sweats, and I have my Keep On Crafting sweatshirt on. And if you want one of those, you can check those out in my Teespring store, and the link is down below in the description box. And we are just going to jump right into this today. So what I'm talking about today is I made this awesome little tea towel for my kitchen, and I did this with my my Brother embroidery machine. You can do this with any embroidery machine. This is a design from Designs by JuJu, and it is so cute. It says never trust a skinny cook. I love it. And so I just made this cute little tea towel. Now the tea towel that I have, I bought in a 3-pack. It is Kimberbell. They were very easy to embroider on. And the stabilizer that I used was a Floriani tearaway stabilizer. And the threads that I used, because I know I'm going to get asked about that, is these little threads that I purchased off of Amazon, and they are called Embroidery Thread, and you can get 40 of these for I think $29.99. And I do believe I have this in my Amazon store in case you're interested in this. So this is the thread that I used on here, and as you can see, it looks great. I had absolutely no issues with it. There was no breaking. There was no nothing. So I will link to this in case you're interested in this. I will also, I'll try to link to the Kimberbell Tea Towels. I bought this at my local quilt shop, so I'm not sure if I can do that. And the Floriani why am I having such a hard time saying that? Tearaway stabilizer. So I will try to put all of those things down below in the description box. So go ahead and give this video a like, and go ahead and subscribe so that you won't miss anything that I share. And so I have a video where I showed how I stitched this all out, and that's what I'm going to show you next. Now, I do want to say a few things about this first before I add the video in here. It took about 36 minutes to stitch this out, and so it doesn't take very long at all, and it was perfect. I think it was like 17,771 stitches, and I actually talk about that a little bit in the video, but in case you can't hear me over the machine, my machine is pretty quiet, but when I'm sitting right up next to it, it's a little bit louder. So, and I was right up on it. So I do want to tell you that I am working off of a Brother 8500D Dream Machine. This machine I just purchased. It was previously loved, and I have to tell you, I am loving it, and I am so looking forward to doing some quilting on it. And so that's why I want to start talking a little bit about embroidery, because I think I'm going to quilt the Scraptastic Scrap Quilt with the embroidery machine. And that will be something new for me. And so we're going to go through that process together. So if you have an embroidery machine and that's something that you're thinking about doing, you're going to want to stay tuned and continue to watch. But for today's Sewing Talk Tuesday, we're going to learn how to make this. And I will also link to the Designs by JuJu link to get this pattern. So this is being stitched out on the Brother Dream machine 8500D, and I have the upgrade, the 2 upgrades, and this machine is absolutely amazing. I am in awe at how well it really does. It sews beautifully, it embroiders beautifully, and it quilts beautifully. So this machine is pretty amazing, I do have to say. So this is my first tea towel that I've ever stitched out. I have done some other embroidery projects. I think I posted one with the Mickey Mouse head that I did, because this machine actually comes preloaded with the Disney embroidery designs. And if you have a Brother machine, you can also buy them on, I think it's iBroidery. A Brother has their own embroidery library that you can purchase, like the Avengers and more Disney and all of that. So it's pretty awesome. So this design is a design from Designs by JuJu, and it says never trust a skinny cook. I changed the colors to be what I wanted them to be, so the pattern is editable. It's 17,771 stitches, and it takes approximately 36 minutes to stitch this out. see that on the screen it tells me also where we're at by that little arrow. And it's done. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. I know I thoroughly enjoyed it. I just sat down here last night and I was like, what can I do? And I just decided to just start stitching some stuff out. And I've wanted to make this little tea towel for a long time, and so I did. And I'm so glad I did. I love it. It was very relaxing. I just, in between taking recordings and stuff, I went ahead and I was just listening to like some of my favorite programs and watching YouTube videos, and then I would go back and I would record. So it was a really fun project to do. And so if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. If you don't know how to access the description box, there is a box down below this video, and there's a little arrow that points down. If you click on that little arrow, you will be able to see everything. You will be able to see all the purchase links that I have. You'll get the description of the video, all the information that you could possibly want. I also have my post office box in there because I just got a post office box. Yay! So if you want to send anything to me, you can now. So that's something that is actually new. I should have talked about that before, but it is new. And so yes, that's where you would access all the information that you could possibly need. Don't forget to click the little bell and subscribe. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So when you like a video or comment on a video, it helps the YouTube algorithm to see the video, and that helps other people come to this channel. It helps it to grow, and we get to have more fun and make even cooler projects. So, and that is it for me today. Keep on crafting. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.